video we could do something a little bit different. It's going to be a vlog style video still, but I wanted to focus on something a little bit more specific. It has been a while since not necessarily since I went to the gym, because I did actually go to the gym last week for the first time in a very long time. But it's been a while since I have been in a regular kind of fitness and health routine, and I really miss it. I feel like I was so good at the start of the year, especially in the lead up to summer as well, with going to the gym a lot and cooking a lot and being in a more like regular routine with my diet. Yeah, I don't know, I was really enjoying just like being a bit of a gym girl and going to the gym, lifting weights, that kind of thing. Obviously, since we got Freddie, I've spent a lot more time at home, a lot more time with him. And I don't know, I just feel like life happens sometimes, and it gets quite hard to stick with going to the gym really regularly, like 2 to 3 times a week or more than that. And I really want to just focus on like getting back on track a little bit with being healthier and looking after myself a little bit better. So yeah, that is what we're going to focus on for today's video. I just got ready. I've put a gym set on. I've put one of my Tala sets on, which I absolutely love. It's so comfortable, so flattering, and I always feel like having a cute set on makes such a difference in terms of going to the gym. Like, I feel so much more confident. And we have actually recently signed up to a new gym, which, yeah, we went to last week. I had my first gym session back last week after quite a while, and when I tell you, it honestly took me like 3 days to recover. I was so sore. I did a full like legs and glutes day. Yeah, I was in pure agony. I can't explain it. Like, I genuinely I was struggling to walk and get out of bed for like the first 2 days. I'm gonna go back today. I'm gonna go on my own. That's one thing that I'm trying to work on at the minute as well, because I hate going to the gym on my own. I'm such a baby when it comes to going to the gym by myself. I much prefer going with Dan. Not that we even spend time together at the gym, like we'll go off and do our own things, but I think just having him there mentally just is like a comfort thing for me. I'm gonna go to the gym today, and I'm gonna kind of like take you guys through the session that I'm doing. I'm actually currently doing a shreddy challenge, I think it's called, or like just a shreddy workout guide. Yeah, I won't show you too much because obviously you need to pay for the app if you want to use it, but I'm currently doing the booty builder guide, which looks like so. I am actually due to do an upper body, but because I was supposed to do this all in 1 week last week, and I didn't do it all in one week because I was absolutely dieting, I'm gonna do the glutes on fire workout today, which looks gross. I can't lie, it looks horrendous. It looks like I'm probably, again, not gonna be able to walk for the next 3 days. I kind of want to set myself some goals. I don't really have specific goals at the minute. I don't really want to lose weight. I'm not fussed about losing weight. I'm quite happy with like my size and my body at the minute. I definitely want to tone up again. I feel like I've lost quite a lot of strength, and in general, I'm stiff. I am just so stiff at the minute. When I went to the gym last week, like my hips and my knees and everything just hurt. I think I am actually gonna get some vitamins to help with my joints, because I don't know where this has come from. I don't know if I've just hit 25 and then all of a sudden my joints are suffering. But I have actually been very on it recently with taking vitamins, and I thought I would quickly talk you guys through the ones that I've been taking, because yeah, it's really important. And I feel like especially this time of year, I always try to keep on top of having vitamins. I'm very prone to getting like colds, getting ill, and in general, I'm just trying to look after myself as best I can at the minute in terms of like my hair, my skin, which I feel like has cleared up a lot. I've got bits of tan on my face right now. I need to wash my face, but obviously I've not showered yet today, so let's just ignore that. So I get all of my vitamins from Myvitamins, and I'm very excited because they've actually given me a code for you guys to use in case anyone wants to have a look online and shop through them. They're very affordable anyway. That's one of the things that I really love about getting my vitamins from here. They're super affordable. They have so much to choose from. And it's also very helpful in the sense of if you don't necessarily know what vitamins you want to be taking, they have like categories on the website depending on what your needs are. So they have categories for like wellness, joints, which I'm definitely going to be getting some of those because my hips are stiff. They have things for like your hair, skin and nails, which is what I've been focusing on at the minute, because especially since I bleach my hair, I'm trying to keep it as healthy as possible. And again, with my skin, I am quite prone to breakouts. pick my nails, so I'm doing my best to make sure I'm really looking after myself in that sense. And yeah, they're giving me a code for you guys if you want to use it, which gets you 62% off the entire site, which is such a massive saving. Just as an idea of what I'm taking at the minute, I'm having the hair, skin and nails, and also the coconut and collagen as well. These kind of like complement each other, and I've been taking them for about 2 weeks now, I want to say. I actually have them all in like my little organizer, which I love having stuff like this. It also saves you getting them out every single day as well, which is really handy. Also really love these ones. They do a lot of gummies, which are obviously great if you would rather have gummies. They do the hair, skin and nails as gummies as well, but I have these ones, the vitamin D ones, because obviously in winter time I need to make sure I'm still getting enough vitamin D, and definitely feel like these help with just like my overall energy and mood as well. Touch wood, I have not been ill so far this season. Dan definitely had a case of the man flu about a week ago, which luckily I was fine. I was really stressing that I was going to get ill, and I don't know, I've just been feeling really healthy recently. I wanted to give them all a quick shout out if you want to check them out. Okay, so for breakfast I'm gonna do scrambled eggs. I bought these eggs this time because oh that probably wasn't the smartest thing to do, but I've heard these eggs are really good, the Burford brown eggs. The yolks were like super orange, so yeah, I'm gonna do scrambled eggs. I've done 6 because I'm gonna do some for Dan as well, and then I'm using sourdough toast. I'm gonna butter both sides just because these slices are quite big. I'm gonna butter both sides and then pop them in a pan to cook them and like toast them. And then I've got some smoked salmon as well, so a nice filling, high protein breakfast to start the day. Trick to scrambled eggs, in case anyone wants to know, or at least how I like to make scrambled eggs anyway. So I always cook them on a low heat, like always a low heat, constantly stirring them just so that they don't stick, and then I take them off the heat when I think they're getting a little bit cooked. So this is how they're looking. Yeah, I like mine to be quite runny. I don't really like scrambled eggs that are super like cooked, just because I feel like they taste a bit dry sometimes. Gorgeous. Okay, so to give you guys a bit of an idea of what I did at the gym today, as I said, I am doing a shreddy challenge at the minute, but I feel like I still mix these up a little bit in terms of what I feel like works for me and what I like to do for myself. So I did a little bit of cardio to start, and then I just did some like body weight squats and lunges just to kind of warm myself up a little bit. I also brought my resistance band with me today, and I did some glute bridges and also some kickbacks, I believe these are called as well, just as a little bit of like a glute activation situation. Apparently this is me just sitting around. Oh no, I am stretching here. I was like, what am I doing? I am actually stretching here. Yeah, just again to help with my muscles, legs, any stiffness, that kind of thing. I do try and stretch a little bit more now at the start of workouts and also at the end. And then I went into some lunges, which were part of my shreddy workout, and also some squats, some dumbbell squats as well. These were actually supposed to be squat pulses, so I did them right this time around, and I'm not even joking. I did about 8 of these and my legs were about to collapse, so I really was struggling at the gym today. I then tried this, which was again part of the workout. It was split squats with an RDL kind of like combined, and I have done these previously, but for some reason today, like my brain cells were just not working. Like I just couldn't figure out the movement of doing like the RDL movement with my leg raised, if that makes sense. So I ended up just doing them as just Bulgarian split squats, and I did 3 sets of these. And then one thing that I love about this gym, they have a hip thrust machine. It is incredible. I absolutely love it. It saves me so much time and effort. And I just did more like low weight, high reps. Oh, sorry, Freddie is here in the background. But yeah, I just did low weight, high reps today and finished with that. Guys, I'm literally exhausted. Why is it so hard? I hate this stage of when I've not been to the gym in ages and I just feel so tired and weak. Not to be negative. I mean, it still was a good session. I'm still happy with what I did, but I'm so tired, and I feel like I was doing stuff then, like even like my Bulgarian split squats and stuff. I used to do like full-on drop sets with like double the weight that I just did a normal set with on that. Like I cannot believe how tired I am. The joys of starting back at the gym after time off. Can I just say as well, I love that gym. I used to go to a pure gym and I actually think I went maybe twice in the whole time that I paid for my pure gym because I just hated it there. Like, I love in that gym, they have the lights really low, it's always really quiet. Everyone there seems so lovely. Yeah, it's just like a really nice atmosphere to work out in. Guys, we've just taken Freddie for his first proper haircut and I literally want to cry. Look at you. You look like a whole new dog. He was very upset with us when we picked him up. He did not enjoy that at all. So I'm gonna do some lunch and I want something that's gonna be high protein for post-workout. So I'm gonna make chicken wrap. I do get questions about if I'm still vegetarian. I'm not vegetarian, but I don't really eat red meat. I only eat like chicken and fish. This chicken needs eating as well, so I'm gonna make some Nando's inspired chicken wraps. I just basically wash my chicken. I always wash my chicken now, and then I'll go ahead and marinate it with this here. So yummy. It comes out like really juicy as well, especially with like the mini fillets. And I also really like this seasoning at the minute as well. I've got some chili jam because Dan really loves chili jam in his, and then I'm currently trying to master the Nando's yogurt because it is just my favorite thing. So I've recently been doing majority Greek yogurt with a little bit of vegan mayo. This one's a little bit more like vinegary than normal mayo, and I feel like the Nando's yogurt has quite a twang to it. It's quite like vinegary. I also add in a little drop of apple cider vinegar as well, and then I add garlic granules and oregano and also some lemon for like extra zinginess. It's still a bit of a work in progress in terms of like proportions of all of these, but it's mostly the yogurt, a good heaped teaspoon of this, and then like a small teaspoon of this, a little sprinkle of oregano, about half a lemon, and a sprinkle of garlic granules as well. So Dan's not trying. I want to see how comparable this is to an actual Nando's. To an actual Nando's wrap. Now that you've got the chili jam, because we never usually do the chili jam. Bloody hell, that was a big bite.
It's better than a Nando's wrap.
It's better than a Nando's. Yeah. Wow, I'm glad I have that on camera.
You make it like, so like soft and juicy. I honestly, I don't know how you do it.
What can I say?
It's so impressive, but yeah.
What can I say? It is the mini chicken fillets, I think, that do it. It's now 5:45. I've just been doing a little bit of work and also a little bit of clearing out because I really want to decorate the house this weekend. I'm so excited to decorate for Christmas this year. I feel like because obviously I got the keys so late in the year last year at the end of November, I didn't really get to fully decorate, and I've got so many ideas for this house for Christmas time. I cannot wait. So I've done a little bit of a clear out. I've pretty much gone through everything, like hair and makeup. I love doing stuff like this as well. I feel like it just makes me feel so much better. Like, again, it's just such a form of self-care for me. So all of my expired makeup has gone, and then all of that in there is stuff that can be donated or like sent to friends and family. Cleaned all of these drawers and reorganized them. So this is all of my makeup. I've got all of my skincare in here, all of my hair care as well. I'm about to get a shower as well. And in terms of what I used on my hair, because I've currently got a hair mask in, I've put some of this in by Grow Gorgeous. It is their hair growth serum. Yeah, it says there it's for fine thinning hair. I saw a girl on TikTok use this and I thought I'd start giving it a go, so I put some of that in last night. And then I've also used my Glaze Sheer Glow as well. I love this stuff. It's like a conditioning gloss. You are kind of supposed to use it after washing, but I didn't have another hair mask, so I was like, I'm just gonna use this. And it worked really well for like doing a sleek pony too. But it looks so good in here. I think I'm gonna go through all of these shelves at some point because there's quite a few things that I either want to donate or sell. I also nipped out and had my nails done, so I got a slightly darker biab today. I'm not sure about it. I kind of wanted to be adventurous and now I'm just regretting doing it. Like I kind of wish I had my lighter colour still on. But either way, I'm so happy to have fresh nails. She did them so quick today as well. She did my nails and my toes in about an hour. But yeah, I'm gonna have a bath and cleanse and just get this hair mask out, all of that kind of stuff, and then cook dinner. Hello. So I think for dinner tonight, I'm gonna have some leftover soup, which me and Dan made last night. We made quite like a big batch of it because we had a lot of tomatoes that needed eating. So I've got quite a big portion of that left in the fridge that I'm gonna have. I love soup as well. I don't know what it is, especially tomato soup. And it's the easiest, most simple thing to make, but it's just so yummy and so like warm and filling this time of year, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna have soup, but I do want to have some protein, so I'm gonna make a chicken and cheese toasty. I've got some more mini chicken fillets, and then I've got some sourdough left, which I'm gonna do one toasty out of that, and then maybe with these little bits, I think I'm just gonna do like some cheese on toast just to like dip into the soup. I've got some red Leicester and some cheddar cheese as well. My mouth is actually watering just talking about this. I'm suddenly so hungry. And then I'm gonna just pick some seasonings for my chicken. I did kind of want to do a veggie meal for one of these meals today because I do try to eat still veggie as much as possible. So I'm really sorry there's not actually, I mean, you could technically make this veggie if you didn't have the chicken in the toasty, or you could replace it with like a vegan meat-free kind of chicken instead if you still want the protein. But yeah, if you want me to do this kind of video where I do like meals and what I eat in a day but make it veggie, then let me know because I can definitely do that as well. It's just worked out that I'm having quite a lot of chicken today because it's pretty much all we've got in the fridge. I'm not even gonna lie, the fridge is looking pretty bare. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to make do with this. Hopefully that's okay. So I think I'm gonna do this paprika and lemon seasoning, and then also some Cajun seasoning as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use all of these to marinate the chicken. I'm gonna wash it and do all of that off camera just because I already showed that at lunch. Also, such a side note, but I did a shop at B&M the other day. If anyone ever wants to see a B&M haul, then let me know because I'm suddenly obsessed with B&M. Like I get so much stuff from there, and these Frosted Bloom Dettol wipes, they're like the Christmassy scent, are so good. They smell incredible. I'm obsessed with them. So I'm just frying the chicken. I'm gonna shred it when it's done and set it to the side. I've done some slices of cheese. I'm gonna use the red Leicester as well. And then I've just split the soup into 2 bowls. So I'm gonna microwave it. Anyone else's puppy just obsessed with eating their hair? Because this is all I get all the time, is you trying to scrap. Anyway, I've just been editing this video and I think I'm gonna leave it here for today just because it is getting pretty late anyway, and I'm just gonna have a really quiet, cozy evening. Freddie's also being so needy. He's being such a needy boy. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this video here. But yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed starting my fitness journey with me again. If you want to see more videos like this, then definitely let me know. I hope you're all having a lovely evening as well, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. What is wrong? You're being so strawberry. You're being such a strawberry boy. He just wants the camera.
see you later.